Hey everybody, welcome to Hodl and Shill. Today's day 46 of our Bitsgap follow along, and we're going to just jump right in. Day 2 of this year, and we're starting off with our SumBot profit at $30,546, and that is a total of 37.06% overall profit. So yesterday, we were at 35.31 for a total of 38.93% profit. So our percentage in profit has gone down a little bit with Bitcoin with doing that sideways chop. However, we still managed to pull in $15 worth of profit in the last 24 hours. So nothing super crazy, nothing to write home about, if you will, but not bad. I mean, profit is profit, so very good there. We'll start and let's do this by SumBot profit here and start at the top. Jasmy is still our number one. It is out of range, and let's look at that chart. So you can actually see where we started. We started out down here, and we're actually back to right about where we started, a little bit lower. And so you can see here we fell out of range because this was our trailing down. So we're going to wait for this to pop back up and keep going. And that is where that is stuck right now. But we've made a total of $999. So we've made about $1,000, which is equivalent to 78% in profit in 2 months and 21 days. So not bad there. Elon is our number two. That's at 82.81% in profit, $414 in 2 months and 14 days. That's averaging 1% a day and not bad overall. Shiba USDT on Coinbase. This is at 39.89% profit in 2 months and 21 days, and it's just averaging just underneath 0.5% a day. Not really that great. Ideally, I want these to be around 2%. But we'll take it. I mean, at the 0.5% there, just letting it run. It's not really, it's kind of just, you can see the activity has just been very, very slow and sideways. So once we do see a pop here, it's going to be a nice run up. Overall, though, 39.89% in profit is not bad at all. NTVRK, this has been running for 1 month and 15 days. 0.69%, and then we're at 31% overall in profit, and that's just going to continue to do what it needs to do. We'll look at that chart as well, give you a visual. So we started here, and I mean, you can tell it's just followed the chart flawlessly, and that's one thing. This is really nice to see. This is actually running 45 grids. We normally run about 20, but this actually makes it really easy to see what a grid bot does. And I mean, look at, it's just following this chart just flawlessly up and down, and here we are. We're just in that sideways motion, and it's still doing its thing. Okay, Luna has been 3L. This is a 3 leverage token. This is at 94.36% profit for $310. It's been running for 2 months and 12 days at 1.29% profit overall. Very, very good here. Very happy with this. Because of that, we're actually running a few other 3 long and 3 short tokens that we started, but this again shows you exactly what the grid bot does and what we're doing. I mean, we're following it to the T. Okay, XYO, 70% profit overall, and that is $189 in 2 months and 10 days, just under 1% at 0.99. Very good there. And AVAX BTC, this is the only BTC pair that we have running. We've been running it for 2 months and 20 days, and that's at just about 0.5% profit. Now, the one nice thing is this is acquiring Bitcoin as we trade, and look at what it's done. I mean, it's just perfect. We started out down here, and we've rode it all the way up to there. Okay, Bond is out of range. This is one that actually really tanked on us, and so this is, you can see here, look at that. I mean, it ran all the way up. And now we have fallen out of range and fallen down here. We are not going to close this out because we are at 18% profit that the bot has made. However, with it falling out of range here, this is actually in the negative. We have fallen in the negative. Change value is $28. So we are down $28 on this, and I am not going to lose the $28. I'll hold on to the asset, and I don't mind doing that until it pops back up above this range and runs again. Doesn't hurt us any, and we'll just leave it there. Okay, Shiba, we're running this also on KuCoin. That's at 0.59% overall. Floki, this is what we're running on Gate.io. We have 2 pairs running on Gate.io. If you remember, this was out of range, and that's because Floki took a huge dump, and it's starting to reaccumulate, and I think we're going to get a nice spike up here. But look at what we've done. You can see this is another great chart to look at for grid trading. We started out here, we rode it all the way down and up, and there you go, there you have it. So we're just, you can see the sideways action this way, and once it pops, we'll be ready for it. Okay, very good. KCS USDT 40%. And Spell we started 25 days ago at 1.26%. This is doing really well on Coinbase. Yushi is a gaming token on BSC that's running on Gate.io, and that's at 21%. So you can see that we're starting to go down into the lower profits here. 7% on CRO. We're running this just because I do believe that CRO will have a nice bump up again, especially with all the hype and marketing that they're doing. BTC USDT, we're running this on Coinbase, or I'm sorry, on KuCoin, and it's only at 5%. We've been running it for 1 month and 13 days, hoping to catch that next run up, the bull run, when it comes, and get that price action up. So 5% overall, not bad. ARPA, you've heard me talk about this. It's actually, we've made $13 on it. However, it's been running for 1 month and 6 days, and we're only at 0.15%. This is another one where I'll probably end up killing this bot off and starting a more profitable token. We'll see what happens. We'll leave it for now. It's only $225 in capital. Okay, now these are ones that we've just started 2 days ago. We started Matic 3S. That's the 3 short leverage token, and that is at 1.80%. So almost at that 2% that we're looking for. It's been running for 2 days and 23 hours, and that is at 3.59% profit. Then we've got the 3 long. That's about 2.86% profit, and that's at 1.43%. We've got our FTM long, and that is at 1.76%. That's only been running for 1 day. We started that together yesterday, if you remember. And our Luna 3S that we started yesterday is at 0.89%, and that's it. That's a wrap for those. The only way that we can start a new bot is by closing one off, because we're at our 20 max. Or we can start some scalper bots, but the scalper bots, if you've been watching, they're not really that profitable. And I just need to figure out, we need to really hone in on that strategy and figure out what we should run to actually maximize those profits. Until then, I probably won't run those. And that's it. That's basically it for today. I'm not going to make this a super long video. If you have any questions, comments, leave those below. And if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks.